Today we are going to study about heritage of India. India extends from Himalaya in the north to the Indian Ocean in the south, from Bay of Bengal in the east to the Arabian Sea in the west. Area-wise, India ranks 7th and population-wise 2nd. It is the second largest country in the world. India is a land of ancient culture which has bestowed upon its people and world at large a rich and varied heritage. India has a peace-loving and accommodative culture which has been enriched by the people from different parts of the world who came, settled down and mingled with the original inhabitants. Sat, Chit and Anand have been experienced from the Indian culture. The values of non-violence and peace have been admired and accepted by the world. People from the time of ancient Indus Valley civilization to the present times have enriched India's culture by their intellectual activities, ability, talent, and skill. Innumerable scholars, philosophers, artists, artisans, sages, saints, scientists, and people in public life have contributed to the development of Indian culture. The plurality of races, religions, languages, ways of life of people have been given unity in diversity to Indian culture. Meaning of heritage. Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers, that is ancestors. Again I repeat, heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers. Heritage is classified into two categories, natural heritage and cultural heritage. Now let us understand what is natural heritage. Natural heritage includes mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, streams, seas, trees, plants, creepers, flowers, leaves, insects, minerals, vegetation, plants, animals, and landscape. Let us know what is landscape. Landscapes are generally formed due to different shapes of land, example, mountains, plateaus, valleys. All this falls under the category of natural heritage. Now let us understand the term cultural. Cultural, man-made heritage, whatever is created by human with his tact, knowledge, wisdom, art and skill. Culture is a way of life. The nature of public life, social rules and regulations differ from society to society and time to time. Culture denotes the progress of the human civilization from Stone Age to the present times. Culture denotes intellect, thinking process, skills, and values. It is molding of mind that leads to creative work. The different constituents of Indian natural heritage. Let's look into it. Constituents of India's natural heritage. It includes landscape, rivers, vegetation, and wildlife. Landscape, which is formed due to different shapes of land, example, Himalayan landscape, snow-covered mountains and brimming rivers. Rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, etc. are the sources for drinking water, domestic and industrial use, power generation and waterways. Rivers have influenced human life. Ancient civilizations flourished on the banks of the rivers. Utensils and toys were made from the clay of rivers. Houses were plastered with clay. Landscape scenes are sources of inspiration for artists and writers. Rivers have been regarded as Lokmata. Next is vegetation. Vegetation, it consists of plants, shrubs, flowers, trees. Banyan, peepal, basil trees are worshipped. Cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and medicinal plants have enriched our life. The last part is wildlife. It includes large variety of animals. Status of vehicles of gods and goddesses have been given to some wild animals. Thank you.